Good morning everyone. So today we are on Camposol day and I have a fantastic Clasico style villa which is detached, has a pool and everything. It's really lovely. So I'm looking forward to showing you around this house tour. So come with me, we'll have a look around. So guys, so this is the property itself. You have off-road parking. Beautiful area here. You have a pedestrian gate. Now we're not very far from Murcia International Airport. We're about 30 minutes. And we're about 20 minutes from several beautiful beaches here near Camposol, near the port of Matheron. Alright, so I'm going to take you in. You have a few steps up to the property with nice decorative balustrade. You have refCAD and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. So let's go inside. So I've just come into the property and as you can see this is Clasico style. The only difference with this, because it's detached, it has got dual aspect windows, which is really great. You have electric heaters on the wall as well. You've got a nice modern ceiling light and fan there, and it's a good sized living space. So you have electric heaters just there and just there by the kitchen. So I'm going through the archway and I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look around the bedrooms. So in here is a master bedroom. And as you can see, as I said, insect screens, blackout blinds and refCAD on the windows. Those blackout blinds there are great in the summer. Pull them down and it keeps that heat and the sun from coming in. So it's a good sized bedroom. You have switches and sockets on either side of the bed. And over there you have a double wardrobe with sliding doors. Just above we've got that ceiling fan and light, making it nice and cool in here. So just pan around to show you how much room there actually is in here. So it's quite a good size bedroom. So let's go into the next room. Now in here is your bathroom. It's all fully tiled. You've got a frosted glass window, a shower. You've got your bath, your WC, sink and pedestal. And you've got a nice little unit there as well. Just above we have got an overhead heater. Standard light as well, it's all fully tiled, as you can see. So let me take you into the next room now. Now this is another large bedroom. You have got your wardrobe, double wardrobe with sliding doors. They're all upgraded, the wardrobes in here. Now this is a good sized bedroom and you have that ensuite with this bedroom, which is great. So let's have a look in there. So this is all modern and upgraded. You've got that clear screen, shower screen with rain head shower unit in there. Got the flooring is all done. Sink and pedestal and WC. Nice mirror and shelf. Got your frosted glass window and you got those lovely ceilings in here as well. Now I just want to turn around here and just show you. You have these great big storage wardrobes here with sliding doors in here. So this is quite a large bathroom. So I'll take you back through. Just give you a different view of the bedroom. And we'll go. Now I'm just coming through here back into this living space, which is quite ample. nice and large. And we're going into the kitchen now. So you have an archway to your kitchen. You have top and base units. You've got your sink and drainer. Got electric hob, electric oven. And if I just pan around here, just behind the door, because I'm stuck on the door there. Just there you have your dishwasher, base unit, fridge, freezer, and some more top units. So good size kitchen. Just going to pan around again for you. So I'm going to take you outside now, and there is a utility area outside which is quite substantial. Let's put the stopper in the door. Now out here is the utility area. You've got plenty of top and base units, and you've got lots of worktop space. You've got your washing machine and your dishwasher there. Got a nice window with the sun beaming in, and you've got a fridge. You've got your gas boiler there as well. Just above the door, of course, you have an overhead light. So let me take you out to the garden and the pool area. Just here you have the wrecker, and it has this insect screen on it, which is really great because in the summer months, if you have little insects or anything, they can't get into the property. You have 2 steps down, nice decorative balustrade. So guys, I've come down to this area of the pool, because as you can see, just here on the wall, this is raised for privacy, and you got some lovely lighting as well for the evening. This pool is absolutely beautiful, and it's got those steps going down and a little seats in the water as well. Now I'm going to take you around and show you different clips of the house as well. So I'm going to show you different areas. So you've got lovely seating down there as well. So just here you can see you've got your loungers and your lovely areas for sitting and lounging and enjoying the pool area. But I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. So I have to take you up this staircase first, guys. And as you know, I will see you at the top of the stairs. Now it is quite large up here on the rooftop solarium. Because you've got plenty of space downstairs, people may not use the rooftop, but you could put some grass up here, put some loungers for private sunbathing, and on like my Clasico, I got a bar up here, but then I don't have the outside space like they do here. So you got that bit extra in this property, and that makes all the difference. So as you can see on the rooftop solarium, you can see all around for quite a bit, but I am going to take you downstairs, and we have another quick look around the garden, which is absolutely fabulous on this property. I love the outside space. Now, so let's go downstairs. Now guys, I've come back downstairs. This pool looks so inviting, and it's such a hot day today. You'd love to have a dicky dive. You've got that wonderful dolphin in the water. You got these lovely lounges here where you can sit under the umbrella, and you've got loads of area for sitting and just enjoying and just having a nice relaxing holiday. And that's what it's all about. And you can imagine if this is your permanent home, it could be like this all the time. So you've got lots of different areas in this garden where you can just relax, read a book, have a coffee, or just have a nice glass of wine and chill. I think I'd probably be on the lounges under that umbrella and having a little swim every now and again. And it's a good sized pool as well, as you can see. So let me take you down the side here. And if you notice, it's laid to decorative stone, and it's a very low maintenance garden as well. So just in here, now this is used for storage, but it has lovely flooring in here. I think I would probably change this into an outside shower room for the pool area. So if anyone was caught short, You wouldn't have to they wouldn't have to go into one of the bathrooms and get the house all wet with their feet. So I'm just going to take you around now to the front of the property. There's plenty of room to put your own stamp on this property. So if you just come around here, you have a nice area in the morning where you can just read the newspaper and a coffee. You could raise the walls for a bit more privacy to the front of the property if you wanted to. But it's just nice the way it is, really. And you could put double gates, you know, the large type double gates here. Plenty of room for a second car here if you wanted it. But this is a beautiful style Clasico, and it's detached. So what do you think of this property, guys? Now, you have a lovely Clasico. It's on its own grounds and it has dual aspect windows, which is great. Not many Clasicos have that. You have a fabulous pool and an upstairs solarium. You've also got this lovely shaded area out the front. If you want to sit when the sun is on one side, you can swap over or whatever. Now, if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Push this video out to other people. And thank you all for your comments. I do enjoy reading them. So until the next time, take care. And I see you all again soon. Have a fabulous summer.